What are the pay implications of exempt versus non-exempt employment? Imagine getting your paycheck every 2 weeks and wondering why some weeks are different from others. Or maybe you notice that some employees get overtime pay while others don't. These differences come down to whether someone is classified as exempt or non-exempt under labor laws. Understanding these categories can help you know what to expect from your pay and what rights you have. Exempt employees are usually paid a fixed salary that stays the same each pay period, no matter how many hours they work. They are not entitled to overtime pay under the Fair Labor Standards Act. This means if they work extra hours, they won't see additional pay for those hours. Non-exempt employees are typically paid hourly and must be paid at least the minimum wage. They also qualify for overtime pay at 1.5 times their regular hourly rate for any hours worked beyond 40 in a week. The classification depends on 3 main things: how they are paid, how much they are paid, and what their job duties are. To be considered exempt, employees must be paid on a salary basis, earning at least $684 per week or $35,568 per year. Their main duties should fall into categories like management, administrative work, professional roles, outside sales, or certain computer jobs. Non-exempt employees do not meet these rules and are protected by the Fair Labor Standards Act. They can be paid hourly or sometimes salaried, but if salaried, they still need to get overtime 4 hours over 40 in a week. From a pay perspective, exempt workers get a steady paycheck that doesn't change with hours, but they might work more than 40 hours without extra pay. Non-exempt workers get paid based on hours worked, including overtime, which compensates for extra effort. It's important for employers to classify employees correctly because misclassification can lead to legal trouble and fines. Just paying someone a salary doesn't automatically make them exempt. They must meet all the legal criteria. Also, while exempt employees aren't entitled to overtime, employers can choose to pay it voluntarily. Tax-wise, both exempt and non-exempt employees usually pay similar taxes, but exempt employees tend to earn higher salaries, which can put them in higher tax brackets. Knowing these differences helps you understand your paycheck better and make sure your rights are protected. It also helps employers stay compliant with wage and hour laws, avoiding penalties for misclassification or improper deductions.